So here is a Brabus 800 S65 Coupe with some interesting leather. I mean, see this? I mean, I honestly thought it was first some kind of like a band like that you have around your neck, but it was not. It's just logos everywhere. That's a new thing. See? Brabus fine leather. I'm not sure it's my cup of tea. There's red buttons and no leather on the floor either. Rear curtain is up for some reason. Why would you have a rear curtain up on a show car? Anyway, center indicator. Looks good. Brabus fine leather. Anyways, 800. Oh, maybe it's not the V12. It's S63 based. Maybe that explains it why it's not leather everywhere. It has Brabus ceramic brakes, for sure, which is nice. Nice carbon fiber spoiler. And this side, I'm really not sure about the wheels. I'd rather pick these wheels, but it seems almost a bit too wide for the car. Anyway, that's all for this S63 800.